Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of Bug Bounty Hunting program. In this tutorial, finally, we will be talking about the vulnerabilities that we are going to find in web applications. So the first vulnerability that we will be talking about today in this lecture is SQL injection. So to learn SQL injection, first we need to learn what is SQL. So let's have a look at the same. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language, which is used to query data from the database. SQL helps web application in communicating with the database software to retrieve or store data from or in the database. Now, what is a database? Database is a collection of data stored by a website in a particular format. This data could be of all the application information like user information, messages, posts, etc.